I'm building an application using React, and I now need to add a new feature to the app that renders images. I can do this by embedding a JS expression in an attribute, specifically the src attribute of the HTML image tag. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the process as I complete the steps, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to demonstrate how to embed a JS expression in an attribute, including adding additional styling and importing additional assets, and utilize additional assets within an app by importing components. Now I'm in the app.js file of a new project and start with an app component that returns the h1 header text hello world. I've previously copied the avatar profile image from the Coursera GitHub account, which is publicly available through the GitHub API. I've pasted the images into the root of the src folder and named it avatar.png. In order to use the image, I need to import it into the app component. I then add a new function in the app.js file named logo. The logo function is essentially a separate component, but to keep things clean for this example, I'll save the code in the app component instead of a separate file. The logo function accepts the props object, and inside of the logo function, I declare a user pick const and assign it a JSX element. This is an image element, and I'm passing the imported avatar PNG image as the value of the src attribute inside this image element. Finally, I'm returning the user pick const from the logo function. Back inside the app component, I'll now render the logo component by adding the logo element inside the app component's return statement. Let me now preview my app in the browser. Great, so it displays the header text along with the image. Keep in mind that if I were to continue building this app with more components, it would be best to extract the logo component to its own file and then import and render it as needed. And that's a demonstration on how you can embed a JSX expression in an attribute, in this case the src attribute of an HTML image tag.